Hey guys, Robert here, Helpful Homes, and we are a local real estate company. We purchase houses just like the one we purchased there with our own funds, and we purchase them quickly. When we say quickly, we can close in as little as 2 weeks. The numbers have to make sense. We have to be getting a good deal on the property, but we can close very quickly. That's not an issue. If you have issues, and they can range from medical issues to maybe a job transfer or job change, maybe you have some pre-foreclosure kind of activity going on, or any number of reasons why you have to sell the house quickly and you don't want to list it with a realtor, put it on the MLS, and take the couple months that could take to sell the home. So for a number of reasons why you would want to sell your property quickly and for cash, not have to worry about any bank financing or anything of that nature, we are the company to reach out to. You can find us on the web at www.helpfulhomes.com, and you can find our phone number there. You can fill out some information which would have someone from my office reach out to you, have a conversation with you, and start to put together your cash offer, see what your situation is, and see how we can best address that and be of help. So do not hesitate to reach out to us, give us a call, leave a comment on this video, or find us on the web, and we look forward to hearing from you. Everybody stay well, do good things, be well. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.